Two small channels can upload similar videos. One will get pushed and the other will get ignored. Why is that? In this video, I'm going to be showing you why YouTube is doing this to small channels and bigger creators, because let me tell you something, this is affecting all bigger creators with bigger subscriber counts. So whether you have 1,000 subscriber or 100,000 subscriber, this is going to affect all channels. So you might be wondering in your mind that, do I need to watch this video? Yes, you need to stay and watch this video, because I am going to be sharing a good news at the end of this video. So do not miss any parts. Many creators are thinking that YouTube is unfair to them. YouTube is playing favoritism. YouTube is pushing one video without pushing my own, even though you have already used that same title, the same type of thumbnail, the same SEO. You have done everything you need to do on that video, and still the other person's video is blowing up while your own is not. This is what is going on. YouTube react to what we call viewers behavior and not the channel size. Gone are those days when those that have a lot of subscribers on their channel get more views. But let me tell you something, you can have 1,000 subscribers and be pushing a lot of views on your channel. That is because the new YouTube algorithm is now viewers behavior consumption. That is, they listen to what the viewers want and they follow what the viewers want. So that is how your video is going to get pushed. Engage with your viewers. Once your viewers can engage on your video and they can stay to watch for a very long time, YouTube is definitely going to push that video. And you will notice that the subscription, pushing your video to your subscriber and notifying them does not usually work anymore, because the new YouTube algorithm do not even push your videos to your subscribers. So whether you get your subscribers from shorts or from live streaming, if you post a long video, that video will perform according to how the first 10 or the first 20 people behave to that video. That is why you see so many channels that have been posting shorts for a very long time, and then once they post a long form content, the video just speak up and go viral. Why do you think that happens? Because YouTube do not judge your video by your subscriber. YouTube do not send your video to your subscriber anymore. They send your video to a particular audience. Once that audience reacts positively to that video will gain momentum immediately. But if those audience react negatively to that video, like they do not engage, then the video will naturally die down. And then you think to yourself, my subscribers are not watching my video. Is it because I got my video for my subscribers from shorts? Is it because I got my subscribers from live streaming? That's why they are not reacting. No, that does not affect your long form content. It's the same thing too. It does not affect your shorts. It does not affect your live streaming. You test your video with smaller audience when you upload, and then they check how they click your video, how they stay in your video, and how they engage on your video. That is, immediately you upload that video, how are they clicking on your thumbnail? How are they staying to watch that video? And how are they engaging on your video? Are they liking your video? Are they commenting on your video? YouTube has gotten this behavior from this small channel they push it to, and then they react positively to your video. YouTube is going to push it more to 10 times more people. That they are pushing it to times 2 of that people. If they push it to 10 people, they are going to push it to 60 more people. People are sending a signal to your YouTube that your video is good and your video is worth watching. When your video do not get this engagement or these clicks, or people do not stay to watch your video, what happens? Your video gradually dies down, and then eventually after 24 hours that video do not get any views anymore. Why are some channel winning? That is the question we are asking ourselves. Why are some channel winning and some channel are not winning? What are they doing differently that I am not doing? Simple. Some channels that get their videos pushed usually have strong hook. That means what they want to say and what they want to deliver, they say it in the first 30 seconds of that video, and then they go straight to the point. They do not beat around the bush or stay to do some kind of introduction that is not necessary. And now another thing that this channel does is that they stay on topic. They do not divert to different topics. They stay on one topic and they talk about that topic from the beginning to the very end. Also, what they also do to make this new YouTube algorithm to smile on them is that they post consistently. If they post 5 times in a week, they stick to that 5 times a week. If they post 4 times in a week, they stick to 4 times a week. If they post 3 times a week, they stick to 3 times in a week. They do not divert from that posting schedule. And now, what else did they do that makes them to win this new YouTube algorithm is that they talk clearly to their audience. They solve a problem. That means you are talking clearly to your audience is listening and hearing what you are saying, and they are getting value for what they are listening to. That is it. Now, how can we be one of them? How can me and you be one of these people that their videos are getting pushed? They are always winning the YouTube algorithm. One, we need to pick a niche. I've said this before in my video. You cannot be doing different niches in one video. It is not going to be possible. You are going to give YouTube a hard time to find your audience. That is what is just going to happen. Now you need to solve a problem. When you can solve a problem on YouTube, YouTube is going to push your videos and you are going to get massive views. And you need to do it repeatedly. One, solve a problem and do it repeatedly. You are solving that problem repeatedly. Let me tell you something. You can post your video and not get views. It is fine. But keep doing it repeatedly. Keep doing it repeatedly. Keep doing it repeatedly. You are giving YouTube a signal that this is your niche and this is what you are going to stick to. And you are not diverting from this niche. Then YouTube is going to say, okay, now I see you. This is what you are doing. And then I'm going to find your audience and give it to you. That is just it. Improve in your retention. That is, improve in how you talk to your audience and how you make them stay to the end of your video by giving value. And lastly, the good news I'm talking about is I have created a Telegram group for creators for us to be able to watch our videos after 1 hour of posting that video. So we are going to post your channel URL in that Telegram community, and then those that are in the community are going to go to your channel and watch your latest video. That is the new upload that you just made. So once those people are able to engage on that video, like the video, post good comments on that video, and then watch the video to like half or even to the very end, YouTube is going to keep pushing that video. Is this not so interesting? So what are you waiting for now? Head over to that WhatsApp community link or that Telegram link. Is on my community post. It's a post I made 2 days ago. Again, immediately I finish this video, I'm going to post the description of this particular video so that you can join this community. It is free of charge. I'm not charging any money for anything. Also, once in a while, we're going to be having a call, one-on-one call for creators on how we can improve on our videos, our thumbnail, our title, our description. That is for those that does long form content. This community is for those that does mostly long form content, not for shorts, long form content and live streaming. Note that long form content and live streaming watch hour is different. You can get 5,000 views on your long form content and be getting over 300 watch hour from only that video. So what do you need to do? It's telling you that you should post more of long form videos so that you can easily get your watch hour. And now, if you have found this video helpful and you see my face for the first time, my name is Blessing. I teach tips and strategies on how you can grow on this YouTube space organically. And if this is what you have been looking for, kindly hit the subscribe button and I'll be seeing you in my next video.